So we finally have internet in the house, and now I can actually install my chosen alarm system for this home. Coming up.
Once upon a time, a boy met a girl working for a mouse. They fell in love and realized they'd never own their own home working for the mouse. So they packed up a big truck and moved to New Jersey, lived in a basement to save money for a year, and bought a foreclosure to fix up while they lived there. This is their story.
So don't take this the wrong way. I'm not being cocky, but I probably could have gotten any one of the DIY alarm systems as a demonstration model for me to use in a video, and they would have sent it for nothing. But I actually chose this one, and I reached out to the company because I wanted to use this product. And what did I choose? Ring. And there's a couple of reasons why I chose Ring as the brand that I wanted in my daughter and son-in-law's house. The first is reputation. I've been a Ring customer for years using their video doorbell. I'm really pleased with the product as well as their support. The second reason is ease of installation. All the sensors on them are peel and stick, basically. You don't have to run any wires. They're all battery operated. The batteries last for years, so it's going to be relatively install it and it's maintenance free. Perfect for DIY. Third, and most important to Julie and Josh's generation, is price.
Not only does the Ring alarm have a really low upfront cost, it also has an incredibly low price for professional monitoring through their Ring Protect Plus plan. That plan, which also includes cloud storage for all your Ring cameras, plus cellular backup for the alarm, costs just $10 a month or $100 a year, and it might qualify you for a discount on your homeowner's insurance.
So it's a really good deal for new homeowners that don't have a lot of disposable income.
The basic Ring system is great for a small apartment. It contains just 5 components: the base station, a keypad, a contact sensor for the main door, a motion sensor, and a range extender. It also has a power supply for the base station, a charger for the keypad, clearly labeled installation kits, and a Protected by Ring window sticker. The base station can connect to the internet via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. It has a built-in battery backup in case a thief cuts your power. And it also comes with a SIM card for cellular backup in case the thief cuts your internet cable too. Ring also sells 10-piece and 14-piece kits for larger homes.
Welcome home.
I got the 14-piece kit for Julie and Josh because they have a 2-story house with 5 exterior doors and several accessible windows to secure. Setting up the Ring alarm was really easy. I already had the Ring app on my phone and a Ring account, so I just added the base station to my Ring account and connected it to Wi-Fi.
I just have to pull the little tab in it to activate the battery on that one.
Then I followed the on-screen instructions to activate the 4 components that came in the box.
And it works. Next is the Ring alarm keypad. This has an internal battery in it. It just has to be charged. And you can see it is adding the device. And then the next is the motion sensor, and that has a little pull tab in the back as well. And you can see it is now adding the device. And now the range extender gets plugged in. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put that. Let's put this right over here. Nice and centrally located in the house. All right, let's see. I'm going to put this one on the front door, so let's do that. It's going to be the main door. And we're going to call this, what room? I don't know. I'm going to call it living room. Front door.
The other sensors were added by scanning a barcode on the back. The installation kits come with screws, but I chose to use the peel and stick option for all the sensors.
And the next thing will be where to place the motion sensor too. Now the motion sensor has the ability to be put flat on a wall, or you can put it in a corner. So I'm probably going to put it in a corner. All right, let's get to this.
When installing the contact sensors, one part goes on the door and the other part goes on the frame, within 1/4 inch of each other. I installed the upstairs motion sensor in the corner of the living room.
All right, from that vantage point right behind the camera, you can see the entire upstairs. If anybody comes in through the window or through the door back there, even through the front door and walks up the steps, comes down the hallway, no matter what, it's gonna see any motion on the upstairs level. And that's really important because most break-ins, they make a beeline right to the master bedroom and they look for jewelry, money, and prescription drugs out of your medicine cabinet. Now, all alarm systems basically work the same way. There's a keypad that you centrally locate this in the house or by an entry door. Everybody has their own code that they put in a 4-digit number, and they can arm the system when they're leaving and they can disarm it when they come home.
The system can also be controlled from the Ring app on a mobile phone.
So there's 3 modes. The first is disarmed, which is what it's in now. And then you've got away mode and home mode. Home mode is obviously when you're home and you want to secure the perimeter, you can do that. And you can choose which sensors are active in each of those modes. Typically, you don't have motion sensing active when you're in the home mode. So to arm the system, all you have to do is put in your code and click away.
Sensors require bypass.
Now that's because there is a door that's open downstairs. But I just armed it anyway, and it'll go through a minute of this countdown that allows you to get out of the house.
Away and armed.
Okay, let's give it a try. All right, it saw me.
Disarmed.
Cool. The keypads are rechargeable. They're battery operated. You don't have to leave them plugged in, and you'll just have to recharge them. I don't even know how long, every few months, I guess. We'll see how long it lasts. But we've got 2 keypads, and one of them Julie wanted right up here in the hallway so she could have quick access to it from the bedrooms if she needs to. It's a great way to arm the system at night when you're going to bed, or if you do come in the front door, which will be rare, you can get to this one pretty quickly. We're also going to put another keypad downstairs coming in from the garage door.
Now I can rest easy knowing my daughter and her family are well protected. If you'd like to win one of several official Living Flip hats, complete with a HandyDadTV button, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks.